Okay guys, so I just picked up this Fulljion, whatever you want to call it, air duster. We are just opening it up for the most part. I charged it up already. Now, first thing it says is press 3 to start. Like I said, I've already charged it up, but I haven't used it yet. Now the weight on it feels pretty stout. It feels pretty stout. Now I personally got this to blow off like clippers, hair clippers, just small stuff. Nothing too big and whatever. But I don't know. And these are the various accessories that it comes with. You know, it looks like you just put these on and screw them on. So let's see how that works. The one that I will primarily need, maybe this one. But if it's strong enough, then maybe something like this. So we're going to attach this one. Okay, so to attach it is easy. All you're doing is just sliding it on. Just slide it on. Just slide it in the hole. If you know anything about that, then that should be easy to do. Now, I don't see any adjustable speeds. I think there is, though. It says press power button 3 seconds to turn it on, to turn on the product. The power is only 50%. Recommended that you fully charge it. That's what I did. To prolong battery life, recommend daily charge before storage. Alright, let's see how good this thing blows. Oh, 3 seconds. Oh, that's 50%. That's more like it. Oh, it's still not strong enough to move this box, but it may be strong enough for my purposes. It's pretty decent. I mean, it's blowing all this stuff off the table. It's not going to blow nothing like that. So that was on high. Now, like I said, you got the various attachments that I have blown all on the floor. This one may be better for what I need. Or let's see how the one works with the little pointy end that's going to have the air more compressed. Okay, so the one that I just put on here is that little small one. The only difference with that one is it's going to blow out the air sideways rather than forward. So we need forward. So the one that I'm going to need the most use of is this. And all I'm doing is blowing hair, like if I'm trimming my beard or something. And I just need to clean my clippers or whatnot. This is going to work perfect for that. Now, I don't know what else you may want to use this thing for, but this is what I'm going to use it for. Was it worth the money? It should be for what I got it for, but this is not no leaf blower. You know how you have those little turbo leaf blowers that battery charge? This is not that. Those have the big battery packs, the cordless battery packs, so 12 volts. So this is not it. This is for small jobs, just to clean your keyboard off. That's what the brush is for. You want to clean your keyboard, clean your clippers off, clean your face off to get hair off, whatever, just the small stuff.